Hey, good morning, everybody. Friday here. Happy Friday. It's been a crazy volatile week. U.S. futures right now, we got front month wheat up 20, corn's up about a nickel, beans down 10. So the sell off in the bean market here is continuing a little bit. Wheat's having a nice rally. Let's dive into it here. Fed's stayed on pace, 25 basis point hike here. Um, I don't. I mean, I think it's fine. I think it needs to be done. That was the big news really in the outside markets. Moving over to the grain side of things, this is a chart we've really been focusing on a lot here this week, and this is the May corn and May wheat spread, and this thing has really just narrowed up. And as you look at this chart, seldom does corn actually hold a premium to wheat. And yesterday this thing got down, pretty narrow at like minus 28, 26. So. Um, this is something we've been focusing on where there's just good value here from a trade perspective and even just for the potential for a wheat rally. This morning this position, this trade, if you will, I guess, is up about 13 cents, moving in the other direction in favor of widening out that premium. So something to watch as you look at these markets. The other thing supporting wheat, we got the drought monitor update in here. There really just hasn't been much change, um, week over week as far as precipitation and what have you. So that was kind of our main focus in here. If you've been following along our report, that's what we talked a lot about this week, was that May wheat, May corn spread, and just that wheat just does not have enough premium to corn, um, per typical, and even for this time of year. Lastly, we just wanted to pull up that November bean chart. It's really just been ugly. I mean, you can see all the red bars here down that side. We're getting into a support zone. Unfortunately, it's pretty wide. I mean, really, you got to call it between 12 and 1250. So, if you're going to take a stab at picking a bottom in here, this is probably an area where you start to look at buying some longs. Again, you've got 50 cents worth of room though. So if you were, on one hand, this could be the aggressive spot you get in. You got to remember that you probably have 50 cents worth of averaging down to do. And then, of course, if you wait, you might miss it. I mean, who really knows? But this is the area of support where, at this point, you kind of got to expect some buying to step in, or at least the shorts to stop their selling. That gap did fill back from July. The two yellow lines represent some potential targets. If this thing were to reverse higher, you're looking at about 13, and then somewhere in that 13 and a quarter to 13.50 area if this market wants to bounce. So just some things to keep in mind. We try not to panic sell down here, but we do want to encourage guys. You got to be ready to reward this rally if this thing bounces back, and those are some targets we have in mind. Again, that's like the $13 level, and then 13 and a quarter, 13.50. So hey, look, we appreciate everybody tuning in. Again, we do offer a daily commentary. We have text alerts along with that whenever we're making a cash grain sale. We do offer a free trial. It's in the description below. We appreciate you tuning into our videos. Hit the like button. That's the thumbs up one down at the bottom. Be sure to subscribe. And we hope everybody continues to get a little bit better. And we will see you here again next week.